So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to download the contacts from your LinkedIn profile so you can use them for lookalike audiences. You can send emails to them, whatever the case may be. Now, I have quite a few people ask me about how to do this. So what we do is first of all, we go to our LinkedIn and we sign in, and this is like your home page on LinkedIn. We go to the next tab here, which is my network, and in my network you'll see any invitations you have, recommendations of people you may know, and over on the left here you see it says your connections. Now I have 908 at the moment. You click on the see all button, and then up on the top right hand side here you can click manage synced and imported contacts. Okay, now it comes up and there's under the advanced options or advanced actions here, you can click on export contacts. So it'll then open up into a page here. Now I've just done this. Okay, so you click on pick and choose, you tick the connections box, which will then allow this box here to hit submit. You'll click that, and then you wait and you get an email. Now you get this email I got here: hi Steve, your LinkedIn data archive fast file is ready for you. You can download it with this link. I clicked on that, and that opened up, which brought me back to that same page we we're just on. And we click here, download the archive, and then we can pop that anywhere. I just pop it in my downloads folder. Okay, it just downloads, nice and simple as that, in a zip file, and then you can open that zip file up. Let's go and have a look. So I'm going to show it in Finder because I use a Mac. It'll be a little bit different for you on a PC. And there we go. We've got a CSV file which you can open up in Excel or Numbers or Google Sheets. With all my contacts, I'm not going to open it because it's got their names, their email addresses, and all the relevant information. Okay, nice and simple, step by step. However, I don't know how long this function is going to last with the privacy stuff that's happening out in the internet at the moment. Okay, be careful with it. You get people unsubscribing, and you can get your autoresponder services closed down and those types of things, but it's very, very good for if you're wanting to reach out to independent people and everything like that. Just a disclaimer, I just gotta say, look, this is not something that I recommend that you go and you email and you spam these people and everything. The connections on LinkedIn, they're not your go and help yourself to the email side of things. If it's one of those things, if you abuse it, you'll lose it. Okay, so any questions, just pop a little question down in the comments below, and I'll try and answer them. Thanks, bye now.